What's going on, guys? Mike with Discount Forklift here. Right behind me is your Caterpillar 4,000-pound capacity trucker's mast. As you can see here, looks very good with the paint job as well as the tires here. Actually grooved for you. You don't have to worry about any traction issues, especially the upcoming winter. We got the forks actually safety painted red with yellow tips on them. I also want to walk you around the lift and show you everything that we got for it. You're going to have your seatbelt here, of course. Your LP tank is going to hook up on the other side right here, where your nozzle screws in. Very easy to actually do. You're going to have your lever system here. Because this thing's not plumbed for a side shift, the only one that you're able to actually use is the tilt function and to raise the mast up. You're going to raise the mast up, hitting it down is going to raise it up, hitting it forward is going to go ahead and raise it down. You have your tilt function, which obviously forward is going to tilt it forward or back and then forward. There's no side shift with this, so you don't have to worry. You have your steering wheel, obviously. You have working lights. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in and show you guys how this thing runs and see what you guys think. Safety first, put this little seat belt on. I swear this is one from like a TWA flight. Starts right up. Break off, this is forward. I'm going to get you in reverse. Now I'm going to show you the mast function. So as I said, this raises all the way up. Down. Still. Lights. You got a little nozzle right here that you just pull towards you to turn them on, and then you push it in to turn it off. Very easy to use. I'm now going to show you where your data tag is. Your data tag is going to be located right here. The serial number on this lift matches the invoice that we had sent to you originally.